information, we always have to go back and think of things that we already know. Who can tell me what you see in the first rectangle? What do you see right here, Tony? If you agree with Tony, say, Tony, you rock.
Tony, you rock.
Okay. So Tony explained what was in this one. Who can tell me what's in this one? Sierra. Right. How many twos do you see? 4 twos. Okay. 4 groups with 2 inside. 4 twos. What do you see here? Sasha. 4 multiplied 2. What is another way to say that? Mark. 4 times 2. So far, what's the answer to this problem? Jasmine, count with me. 2.
4, 6.
So this is 8. Okay. What is this? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. What does that equal to, Jelani?
8.
8. Okay. So this and this is the same thing. Okay. 4 times 2. What is the answer to that? I remember yesterday I learned a fast way to find that out. Yesterday, what was my fast way that I found that answer? Using my fingers. How many fingers do I hold up? 4, and I count by 2. Count with me, everyone.
2, 4, 6,
8. Okay, so that's 8. So that means all 3 of these so far are the same. 4 groups of 2 is the same thing. This is actually what Tony said when she was describing this. So that's the same. 4 twos. Is that the same? I see a lot of friends showing me yes. That's the same. Okay, so if 4 times 2 equals 8, then 2 times what equals 8? 2 times 4 equals 8. Okay, so 4 times 2 equals 8. 2 times 4 equals 8. What divided by what? Huh. This is super hard. Justin?
8 divided by 2 equals 4.
Whoa! So, just to show this, I have 2 groups, right? And if I have 8, I put 1 in each until I get my answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many's in each, Sierra? 4. Whoa! Okay. If 8 divided by 2 equals 4, what's the last problem? Get out of here. You are the... Irene?
8 divided by 4 equals 2.
Let's just double check to make sure she's right. So we have to have 4 groups this time. And I put 1 in each group until I get to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's 2! Oh my goodness. Every single thing on this board tells me the answer is 8. Unless it's the division problem, right? Okay. Now it's time for the new strategy. This, like I said in my morning message, is called dot paper. If I want to show you 4 times 2, I can show you using dots. Tap your nose if you remember the silly stuffed animal challenge that you had to do in your workbook. Tap your nose if you remember that. The stuffed animal kind of looked like a sheep. and it started with 2 eyes, and then it went to 4 eyes. Count with me. Then it went to 6 eyes. Then it went to
8 eyes.
and then it went to
10 eyes.
Eyes come in pairs of 2. So I have 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups. How come I only put 2 in each group? Alexis. I'm sorry? Say it so loud.
Because you're counting by 2.
Yeah, I'm counting by 2s. Because I see I need 4 groups of 2. You guys rock. Now it's time for you to show me. So this was all of the ways that I could show 4 times 2. You're going to show me all of the ways, including the new, the awesome, the radical dot half paper on your page. But you're not going to show me 4 times 2. On the dot page, you're going to show me 7 times 2. And you're going to show me all of the ways you can show me 7 times 2. Now, here's the thing. Your dot paper might have lots and lots of dots. So to show me 4 times 2 using this paper, you would have to cross out the dots. So 4 times 2, I remembered I had 1, 2, 3, 4, and there were 2 in each group. So 1, 2, do you see 2 in that group? 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 So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups with 2 in each group. You are going to show me 7 times 2, and you're going to show me all of the ways to tell me 7 times 2. Irene just went like this. That tells me she's going to do this, no problem. I want you to show me 4 ways to tell me 7 times 2 and the dot paper in a level 0. Walk back to your seat as if you were an old man or an old woman.